morning to all. This is your grammar period. Okay, so now open this book, the Grammarite class 6. Open it, chapter number 4, pronoun. Yes, chapter number 4, pronoun, and page number 27. I hope you have done all the work, the definition of pronoun and the types of pronoun. So now let's start exercise and open page number 28. So now open page number 28. Fill in the blank with the suitable pronouns. Is a beautiful painting. This is the painting. Okay. So this is right here. This is a beautiful painting. Is my house over there? This is my house over there. This is my house over there. My name is Lata and I love singing. I love singing. Is that person? Who is that person? Is this your purse? I am pretty sure it is yours. Okay, next. Are the sweet that you were talking about? These are the sweets. These are the sweets that you were talking about. So these are some words you have to do with yourself. 7, number and 8. Do it right now. Complete your exercise. Next, open your page number 30. So fill in the blank with correct pronouns from those given in brackets. These are some pronouns. So what is right or wrong? I saw a car. I wondered it was. I saw a car. I wondered whose that? Whose it was? That is was. So what is the right? That, the correct. Next, where is the DVD? Where is the DVD? Rohit bought last week. That Rohit or who Rohit? No, that. That is the correct. So write here that. This is the house. Who moved into last year? Whose or that? This is the house that we moved into the last year. That. My cousin lives in Bangalore. Lives in Bangalore. My cousin that or who? Who lives in Bangalore is coming today. Who is the right. The man is standing. So the man who is standing. Write the who. I would like to meet the champion. I would like to meet the champion. It may be whatever, whoever. I would like to meet the champion, whoever it may be. If whatever it may be. What is the correct form? Yes, the right is whoever. So right here, whoever. The book Yamini had gifted to her friend as a bestseller. So whichever that. The book that Yamini had gifted. So right here, that. Okay, next. My grandparents promised to buy me which whatever. Which I wanted for my birthday. Whatever I wanted. Whatever. So write here the correct pronoun and complete your exercise. So open page number 31. Page number 31. Underline the incorrect pronoun, write the correct pronoun in the blank. So Anaya is friend with I or me, with me. Anaya's friend with me. So write here with me. Write here with me. Underline I. Anaya's friend with me. The dog hurt themselves? No, itself. Itself. Right? Itself. They scored as many goals as we. They scored as many goals as us, not we. My grandmother and me? No, I. My grandmother and I like ice cream. Rajesh and Ramesh are in town. I saw us? No, I saw them yesterday. I saw them yesterday. मैं आपको सिर्फ बोल के बता रही हूँ, आपको खुद लिखना है ये. ओके, तो सब लिखना है आपको, कंप्लीट करना है, यहाँ पर छोड़ना नहीं है. My sister baked the cakes for himself, not for herself. Right here, herself, shared them. After many years, I met my childhood friend. Not one met. I met my childhood friend today. The coffee shop offers the chocolate brownies. They make it cheap. आपको ये खुद करना है. So do it with yourself. The last one. Okay. So complete your exercise. So now open page number 32. Okay, page number 32. Open it. B session. Complete the sentence using suitable pronouns from the brackets. Okay. The first is, do you owe his or him any money? So what is the right pronoun? Yes. Do you owe him? Yes. So right here owe. Owe him. She presented the books to Kanika. She presented the books to Kanika. And I or me. What is the right pronoun? Yes, me. So right here me. Me. The authorities refunded the fees to her or herself. To her. So right here her. Okay. So next. Does she or her? Does she? Right here she. She know that I was in, not me. I was in the library. Next, his family are always fighting among. His family are always fighting among itself or themselves. Obviously themselves, because itself is a singular and we can use for singular. So themselves for plural. So themselves. Right here themselves. So themselves. I remember that they or them both. Okay. So what is the right pronoun? I remember that they. So I remember that they bought the clothes from. So from us or we. Yes, from us. So right here us. Next, my key is jammed in the lock. My key is jammed in the lock. Can someone help me? Me or mine? Obviously, can someone help me? Please. My brother and I bought some apples for ourselves or themselves. Ourselves. So right here ourselves. Okay. Next, the flock of pigeons saw the cat and they flew and it or they. Yes, they. Right here they. they flew away in different direction. The team short and changed after it, or they had finished. It had finished the morning practice. They had finished after they had finished. So do it or they. This is your work for today. Complete it. And now complete your exercise. Okay. Let's B section के after आपको C section मिल जाएगा. Underline the pronouns that have been used incorrectly. Then write the correct pronouns in the blanks. So these are blanks. Some blanks. So we have to write pronoun there. Okay. So first of all, the first sentence is that bicycle your? So is that bicycle your? That is wrong pronoun. So underline it and write here. This is this. Okay. एक्चुअली बोर्ड जाने की वजह से प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है. सो आई थिंक आपको दिख रहा होगा. ठीक है. दिस राइट हियर. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज विच इज योर नेम. सो विच इज योर नेम? नो. व्हाट इज योर नेम? सो अंडरलाइन इट एंड राइट हियर व्हाट. राइट हियर. आई नो बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं लिखते हैं. वो सिर्फ मैं छोड़ देती हूँ तो वो खुद भी छोड़ देते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. जो मैंने बोला है उसे सुना करें और उसके बाद लिखा करें. ओके. मैंने यहाँ बोला है व्हाट. तो यहाँ आपको व्हाट लिखना है. वो बहुत लास्ट में हो रहा है इसलिए मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट मैं ये वाला कट कर दिया. मेरा मिसिंग है थोड़ा सा वर्ड. नेक्स्ट है गिव द कॉमिक बुक्स टू आई. आई का प्रोनाउन हो जाएगा यहाँ पर मी. सो गिव द कॉमिक बुक्स टू मी. ओके. सो आपको यहाँ पर आई की जगह अंडरलाइन आई एंड राइट हियर मी. सो me. Next, I himself completed the project. I himself, no himself, herself. I herself completed the project. So, himself or herself. But we have to use myself. I myself completed the project. So write here myself. Write here myself. Okay, myself. Next, that is the boy. That is the boy which had lent me a pen. That is the boy which had lent me a pen. That is the boy which had lent me a pen. So what is the incorrect pronoun? First of all हमें ये देखना है कि incorrect pronoun, इसमें pronoun कौन सा है, फिर incorrect है या नहीं है. So that is the boy which had lent me a pen. That is the boy who had lent me a pen. Who. So write here who. Okay. So next, my friend bought a set of costumes for us, not we. For us. Write here us. Next, that is the girl who bought I an ice cream. That is the girl who bought us an ice cream. Okay, that is the girl who bought us an ice cream. Underline I and write here us. He themselves lead the troop in a special event. तो he के साथ themselves नहीं आता है. Don't use themselves. He himself, she herself. Okay, I myself. So he himself. Right here himself. आपको लिखना है यहाँ पर himself. The tiffin who belongs to you was found in the playground. The tiffin who belongs to you was found. That tiffin, not the. That tiffin who belongs to you was found in the playground. Next, you and me should leave for the party soon. You and me. So, you and I. Right here I. Right here I. You and I should leave for the party. Next, just between you and me. You and me. So, right here me. Ruma is meeting she's sister here. What? Ruma is meeting her sister, not she. So, right here her. Feroz bought many candies for us, not I. Feroz bought many candies for me. I. तो आप यहाँ पर me कर, you can write me. Okay. So Marco gave some paintings to you and me today. So write here me, and I. You and I, you and me. So me. You and I should leave. Right here I. So complete your exercise.